let's get a drum roll because we are ready. We are ready for the cookies. I open this to the best of my ability. Now we will do the pouring. Okay. So it went in with a bang, but we're doing good. Now, we are pouring. Right. The show I was telling you about, Kieran Revolution, she ended up doing a Milky Way Girls spinoff, and the animation changed. The animation changed to like this 3D effect from cartoon. And I was like, nobody liked it. It was weird. I tried to follow it, and it was Kieran with 3 other girls, well, 2 other girls who, again, never were singers. One was the smart one and the quiet one was the cool one, the bad